just gonna read this recording.
Central Daylight Time. Here is the forecast for Nashville, Greenbrier, Glazeville, Thompson Station, White Bluff, and surrounding areas. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Saturday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the
It's
mid-80s.
11:15.
Chance of rain 20%.
I should do it any second.
Saturday night, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Highs around 70. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. Tuesday, sunny. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Sunny. The temperature was 73 degrees. Dew point was 54, and the relative humidity was 51%. Winds were variable at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and falling. Around Middle Tennessee. Clarksville, sunny, 73. The following is a routine weekly test.
Why are you going off?
The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated on the frequency of 162.5 Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon with a position. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of incoming danger. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Nashville at 11 a.m. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Sunny. The temperature was 70.
Okay, I don't
1%. Winds were
I
variable
don't
at 6
know why you
miles
did
an
not
hour.
activate.
The pressure was 30.18
Your
inches and
reception
falling.
was crystal
Around
clear.
Middle Tennessee. Clarksville. Elsewhere in Tennessee. Chattanooga, sunny, 72. Jackson, sunny, 74. Knoxville, sunny, 68. Memphis, sunny, 73. Oak Ridge, sunny, 69. Tri-Cities, mostly sunny, 64. Across the region, Louisville, mostly sunny, 69. Bowling Green, sunny, 73. Nashville, sunny, 70. The following is a routine weekly test. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK61 operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.40 megahertz with transmitting facilities in Putnam County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Clay, Cumberland, DeKalb, Fentress, Jackson, Overton, Pickett, Putnam, Smith, Van Buren, and White. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.